kids, welcome back. This is Miss Anna and this is my friend the crocodile. He'll be assisting me later on in the lesson. Thank you for all your photos you sent me of you measuring your family members using bananas and other fruits. I really enjoyed them. So as we start, let's get our brain switched on with some mental warm-ups. What do you get when you multiply the legs of 5 birds with the 2 eyes of a crocodile? Think about it. You have 5 birds with 2 legs, that is 5 times 2, which will give you 10, times 10 times 2, 2 eyes, which will give you 20. Correct. Now, what will you get when you multiply 10 fingernails of 2 hands times the days of the week? Yes, 70. There are 7 days of a week times 10, which will give you 70. So today we're going to be learning about standard measures of length. Some of you were wondering, you complained and said, some of my bananas were too thick, or some were too short, or some were too long. Now imagine if we had to measure everyone's length in the world by bananas. How many fruits would those be? So we are going to use standard units of length, which are centimeters and meters. So in 1 meter, they are 100 centimeters. Let's check that out. Okay, I have my 1 meter ruler here, and I have 10 centimeter cuttings with me. So I'm going to use this to measure how many centimeters are in a meter. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So they are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So you had earlier in the story about a crocodile, a bird, and a mouse. So those are the friends that I am going to be measuring today. So how long is my crocodile? Let's see. So if I measure him, remember when you're measuring, you have to be as accurate as possible. So I'm measuring from the tip of his snout to the tip of his tail. So my crocodile is 100 centimeters long, or 1 meter long. I also have my bird here. I'm going to measure him from the tip of his beak to the tip of his tail. So yes, my bird is 10 centimeters long. And here is my little mouse friend. I wonder how long he could be. Let's see. If I measure him from the tip of his nose to the tip of his tail, he is 8 centimeters long. Now what will I get if I add all the lengths of my animals together? Remember, my crocodile is 100 centimeters plus my bird, which is 10 centimeters, plus my mouse, which is 8 centimeters. So 100 plus 10 will give us 110, plus 8 will give us 118 centimeters. But remember, they are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So that could also be 1 meter and 18 centimeters. So I would like to challenge you to go around your house measuring different things. You can use a ruler or you can use a measuring tape and see how many things you can measure. Remember to keep on discovering, keep on learning, and keep inquiring. Bye!